Welcome to the instructional video for the 18HP Petrol Wood Chipper and Mulcher. Today, we'll go through the key safety features, setup, and operational procedures to ensure you get the best performance from this machine. Let's get started. Safety first. Before using the wood chipper, safety is paramount. Always wear appropriate protective equipment, including safety glasses, gloves, and hearing protection. Ensure that the work area is clear of bystanders and animals. This equipment can be dangerous if misused, so keep children and untrained individuals away. Before starting the engine. First things first, check the oil level. The wood chipper does not come with oil, so you need to add the correct engine oil before starting. Failure to do so can void the warranty. Locate the oil filler cap and fill it with the appropriate engine oil up to the recommended level. Always use a funnel to avoid spillage. Assembly overview. The chipper requires minimal assembly. Ensure all components, like the input chute, output chute, and handles, are securely fastened. For detailed assembly instructions, refer to the user manual. Make sure the machine is placed on a flat, stable surface to prevent tipping during operation. Starting the engine. Now, let's start the engine. Ensure the chipper is in an open, well-ventilated area. Open the fuel cap slowly to release any built-up pressure, then fill the tank with unleaded petrol. Move the throttle control to the choke position if the engine is cold. Pull the starting cord firmly until the engine starts. Once started, move the throttle control to the run position, using the chipper safely. Always feed branches into the input chute slowly and let the chipper do the work. Never force material into the machine and keep your hands away from the input chute. If you need to clear a jam, turn off the engine and wait for all moving parts to stop completely before attempting any maintenance. Stopping the engine. To stop the engine, move the throttle control to the stop position and wait for the engine to come to a complete halt. Always turn off the engine and disconnect the spark plug before performing any maintenance or clearing blockages. Remember, using the 18HP Petrol Wood Chipper and Mulcher safely and correctly ensures both your safety and the longevity of the machine. For more detailed instructions and maintenance tips, refer to the user manual. Thank you for watching and happy chipping.